My name is Sangeeta Goswami. I'm a Director of Policy and Advocacy at Human Security Collective, which is a non-profit foundation based in The Hague in the Netherlands. It's my first visit to Bangladesh actually, and definitely my first visit to the CCDB Climate Centre. It's been beautiful. I've spent 2 nights here, away from the hustle bustle of Dhaka. It's an oasis of peace and calm, and the facilities have been top-notch, absolutely. The centre showed us the 5 topographical, geographical areas that are, Bangladesh is made up of, and all the different sort of climate adaptation and mitigation strategies that are employed in each of those 5 different distinct geographical areas. Also learnt a lot about different sorts of energies, climate adaptation and mitigation technologies. So it was really instructive and I learned so much, and it was a lovely walk as well in the evening. 3-course meals are an absolute luxury, and really good quality meals. I guess, a lot of organic produce from, the CCDB campus itself, so very fresh and freshly cooked, so it was all delicious and delightful. And as I said, because all of this is so well taken care of, it gives us the opportunity to focus on the content and to really engage in the work that we're doing. And I think a lot of the participants felt the same, getting away from their day jobs and just being able to focus on what we were talking about. Normally you're stuck in a hotel somewhere without natural light, in some basement of a hotel room, whereas this is just light, beautiful, airy, modern facilities. And I was just learning that apparently you're building even more accommodation capacity here. So I think it's a fantastic place for learning and development. Yeah, absolutely.